Between breath and bite, I choose stillness. Other hunters stutter the same silence. Safety first. Hunter and life both remain.
The plane keeps the tally.
Easy. Find water, find shade. The heavy body carves a path. Fresh. Night still climbs to it. New skin means nearby shelter. All hunger drinks here. The ground keeps secrets. Other hunters stutter the same silence. Safety first. Cool, recent. Its shade is near.
The whole exhales. The body waits. Enter like wind, leave like stone. Safe.
Head, spine, tail, lock the neck first.
One motion, no mistake.
It listens with stillness. No blink, only measure.
Edge the circle, never the center. Safe.
Do not pull, turn. Safe. Half the body calms the whole. Humane capture. The wind rises from the ground. Hold the rhythm. Tame the fear. Change position, change the fight. Tight to hold, loose to respect. Animal welfare. The circle decides who tires first. The plane keeps the tally. Build a low wall, inch by inch. Fire in the chest, calm in the hands. Safe. Keep the vessel whole. Near enough for safety. Humane. Patience is a hidden muscle. Half a step from ending. Turn and return. One misstep to lose it. Turn, don't tear. Let the earth be the third hand. Bind to hold, not to break. A map made of patience. Do Do not let it hug the heart. Smoke, not fire. Carry, not punish.
From here, the road points home. Smoke, not fire.
Smoke, not fire. Fear obeys rhythm. The head is calm, the body follows. After storm comes the river's whisper. Respect other strength.
Walk with the shoulders, not the feet.
Night speaks early. Listen.
Capture, not cruelty.
Change sides, keep rhythm. Make the road when there is none. Easy.
Going back is going forward.
Home is a shade on stone. Last steps.
Loose without losing care. Hunter and life both remain.
Remember to learn.
Tomorrow, the sun will ask again.
Tomorrow, the sun will ask again. Hunt to live, never to destroy.